We're just gonna hop right into it with an update. As you can tell, this isn't a garage. It's a storage box outside of my house. Alright. So, taking a break from the duster, which is getting a 440. Back burner for now because I just don't have the time, and there's snow on the ground. It's winter time here in the Midwest. It's about 10-15 degrees, give or take. Maybe 30 today, but that's because it's nice out. So, in between the duster and everything else, I picked up a 2004 Ram. Pretty cheap. You know, it's got stuff. It is a vehicle, nonetheless. Let's see. Picked it up for $1,200. The owner told me that there was timing component issues, so naturally I replaced the timing components of this old beast here. And yeah, so that wasn't the issue. But what the issue was a valve seat. Well, multiple valve seats. Yeah, they damaged the internals pretty badly, which now I know what the noise was. I had a feeling it wasn't valve components, or not valve components, timing components, but, you know, kind of took it on a whim, thinking, hey, maybe it is timing chain. Well, the tensioner wasn't broken. The back plate for the cam and everything, the tensioner was broken right here. That obviously wasn't the issue. Get around to the heads. Oh man. Yeah, so as you can tell, the valve seats dropped pretty damn hard. The driver's side wasn't terrible, only 2, but I mean, minimal death to the heads, but the passenger bank was, yeah, it was a bit much. They, to say the least, it's destroyed. Alright, you probably can't see, but there's a slight scratch on 3 or 4 of the cylinders, just from the cylinder breaking, or the piston breaking. But, I mean, the cross hatch, let's see if I can grab that phone. The cross hatching is still there. I was told this was a Jasper engine. I have minimal proof that it was in fact a Jasper engine. Just kind of going off what I've been told. I'm gonna have to do a thorough check, but from the looks of it, we do a quick dingle ball hone, and I think we could probably save the block overall. Because the worst cylinder is on the passenger side, and it's no more than this. Which, I don't know if the camera's picking that up. It's not bad. I can't even catch my fingernail on it. It's freezing out. So to justify going out and making a video, or going out and doing stuff, it's very hard in this temperature. That's why the Midwest sucks. You get used to it. I'm from Minnesota, so it's no different. Well, a little colder up there overall. There we go. Alright. As I was saying, the journals of the crank look good. I haven't removed it yet. It all rotates very well. I haven't decided fully the amount of money I'm going to dump into it. Yeah, a lot of people have lifter failures on the rollers, and they actually scorn these down, scratch into the material, and that's what causes a lot of bad things. Just about the same as a valve seat dropping because they severely overheated it, because they decided that they didn't want to fix the radiator. They wanted to just let it sit, and you know, it'll fix itself. It's only a radiator. It's only crucial components, you know, to cooling. That's no big deal. I mean, come on. Okay. Let's try that again. It's too cold, but grab some, gotta get a shop light out here. semi-new location, so plus I haven't really had time to do that. Get the old push rod. Once again, like I said, take that. That went all the way through. Unbelievable. Like I said, I'm not a professional. This is a hobby that I do. So, I mean, criticism welcome, don't get me wrong. But, sadly, school starts in, I don't know, a few months. So you can't really, until then, you can't really hate on me. But if you have comments that are helpful, or possibly any ideas for a rebuild kit for a 2004 5.7 liter Hemi, that would be much appreciated. Somewhere around August I should have a actual shop, or at least a garage that's not an hour away. That would be lovely. Alrighty then.
It's not necessary to take this off. Oh, there it is. Contemplation. I'm sure it's not 100% necessary, considering the condition it's in. It's in okay conditions. It's not bad. Really. Yeah, besides the pistons.
Let's use metric. Probably not the right answer, but it's the answer that I'm going to use. Because why not, you know? What's it really going to hurt? Besides the threads, and then, you know, you got to replace everything. I know it's...
Wow, it's crazy. Yep, I knew it was going to happen. I think it's just going to pop right out. Give it a little love. One piece remain, which is nice.
Oh yeah. There we go. Prime example. Good. Set on the Christmas tree stuff. A little bit scratched. She will come up. So far, I mean, they're scratched, but not destroyed. Nothing's spun yet that I can see. Journals of the crank look okay. Ooh. Oh man. Yeah, that one definitely had metal in it. Oh, that one's pretty scratched too. See, that's what it should look somewhat like. It's a lot better. Overall, not terrible. You know, could be a lot worse. Alright, let's get that out. Set that aside. Overall bearings, not terrible.